Today I am draping this Assam paat silk saree. This deep mustard gold mirrors Assam's sacred Muga silk, a color of prosperity, the sun, and the Brahmaputra. The red and green motifs are deeply intentional. Red for Shakti and devotion, green for lush valleys and tea gardens. Together, they carry the spirit of Assam. The delicate full putti are hand-woven, thread by thread, and the pallu features Meri motifs, ancient symbols of protection and identity. Woven in soil kuchi over days by a single artisan, this sari holds centuries of heritage.
কাশি জোন এবার অতীতলৈ ভাবাচোন ৰুঞ্জুন ৰুঞ্জুন মৰমে নধৰেচোন মই বাৰু তোমাৰ কোন কোৱাচোন